Hello everyone, today's video is a very interesting video because I have tried 4 Vaseline hack and I have tried either they work or not. These are 4 Vaseline beauty hacks that are so much popular around the world and you can see lots of videos on those. I have tried either Vaseline can work for your blackheads, either it can be performed as a long-lasting scent, or either it can makes your hair smooth and silky, or either it can help to soften your cuticles. So watch the whole video.
Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so whenever I post new videos you get the notification and you watch my videos.
So first hack is Vaseline for dry ends of your hair. According to this hack, if you apply Vaseline on the end of your hair or if you have some flying hair, so applying Vaseline can make it silky and sleek and you can have a very smooth hair plus a ponytail. So you can see I'm just showing you my hair. They in the end they are sort of dead and dry. So I will try to apply a Vaseline and I'll see either it works or not. So we have to take a very small amount of Vaseline. For that you don't want to pack your hair with Vaseline, and just rub it on your fingers very well and apply at the end of your hair very carefully. It's not making my hair very sticky and I'm not feeling the sense of Vaseline that I have applied. I mean they are looking like more smoother now, but still I don't feel. And I'm showing you in with the close-up to the camera, and this is the result. The one which I have applied are the right one and you can see they were smoother. So I have passed this hack. It works but temporarily, so you can do if you're going to some party, then you can do. Now comes to the second hack. Second hack is that Vaseline can melt your blackhead. For doing this hack, I actually didn't clean my nose for around 1 month and I didn't do any sort of scrubbing. So you can see my nose is packed with lots of blackheads or maybe a sebum or anything. So I didn't do it because I really wanted to see either this hack work or not. You need 1 towel, 1 Vaseline, 1 cling wrap and cotton swabs. That's what you need. So what you will do, you will apply a generous amount of Vaseline on your nose and on your cheek area. The reason you have to apply it on your cheek area because you want to stay you want cling wrap to stay on your cheeks. So that's why we will apply it on our cheek. So first I'm applying the first layer of cling wrap and you can see in the video behind the girl is also doing the same. And I don't know why she just packed her nose with lots of cling wrap. So I will try it for twice, I think. And just make sure you still breathe because that's very much necessary for doing any sort of hack. So after applying the cling wrap, I have taken the towel and I have dipped it in hot water and I steamed my nose for around 15 minutes. In the original video, the girl actually left herself in this way for a whole night. I cannot stand that my nose is covered with cling wrap and I'll sleep. I cannot sleep. So I did in this way and I think it should also work. And after 15 minutes of giving a steam, I just left it for 30 minutes more. So in this way, I think if this hack works, it should work somehow. So after 30 minutes, I have removed this cling wrap and you can see the Vaseline, it somehow got absorbed in my nose. And in the original video, the girl, she took the swabs and then she just pressed her nose and you can see. So there's one thing sure, either Vaseline works for your blackheads or not, but it can work if you have some if your earrings they have stuck on your ear or your nose, then it works actually very well. So my nose ring was actually creating a problem. So in the next visual you can see I have just take off my nose ring and I tried it again. No matter how much I tried, it was so difficult to put the pressure from the cotton swabs because they have the plastic and it was just turning and I was not seeing anything except the Vaseline on my cotton swab. And even the cotton swabs, I think you can see the condition of them and I just saw a little bit black. Then I have taken this tool which I actually use for removing the blackhead to see if either it really works or not. So you can see there is some sort of sebum on my tool and in this video you can clearly see it's actually extracting something from my nose but not exactly the one which that girl she did. So according to me, this hack, it actually does not work, but it also gives my nose red and very dry because I was continuously trying. So don't try this at home at all. So now we should come to the third hack, and the third hack is very interesting, that Vaseline can long last your scent. So what I did, I put a marker line on my wrist before testing this hack. So on the above area I will apply the Vaseline, and on the lower area I will just leave it as it is, and then afterward I will apply some mist and to see either this works or not. You need a very small amount of Vaseline, you don't need lot of, and just take a small amount of Vaseline and rub it on your wrist area. So I'm applying on the upper wrist area. I have taken the same area and have just applied the marker because I really want to see that on the same area either it works or not. You know, in other parts of our body they works in different way, and there could be some other biases included or other factors. So I'm taking this my Victoria's Secret Romantic Mist and I will apply it on my wrist. The same pressure I apply for both because they both are closer. So you can see it will go on the both of the sides for upper area too and the for lower area too, and I'll leave it and I'll check it around after 30 minutes either the scent it remains or not. So after 30 minutes I try to smell my wrist, and seriously, no matter how hard I tried, I was only smelling the Vaseline. I was not smelling any sort of mist. The mist didn't stay. It didn't stay on my lower wrist area too, and it didn't stay for my upper wrist area too, where I applied the Vaseline. In fact, I was actually smelling the Vaseline. I tried so much. I even tried my fingers too. So this hack is failed and it does not work. So now let's come to our last hack, which is Vaseline can soften your cuticles. So if you have Vaseline, you don't need cuticle softeners. So you can see in this video these nails, they have cuticles. So what I'm doing, I will actually apply a generous amount of Vaseline. The idea is that Vaseline should be a generous amount, and then you have to apply it on your cuticle area, and you have to massage it. You have to massage it for around 2 to 3 minutes because you want the Vaseline to get absorbed to the cuticles. Even the Vaseline, it doesn't get absorbed, but it somehow it just makes them soft. So you can afterward you can use your the cuticle remover and then you can remove the cuticle. So what I'm doing, I'm just massaging it very well, and then I will see and I will leave it for around 20 minutes, and then I will see how it works. So after massaging my whole cuticles, or all of my 5 fingers cuticle, I left it, and then you can see this is my cuticle remover, and I will remove the cuticle in front of you. So first you have to remove you have to wipe off all the Vaseline. You don't want it to cut your nails, and you can see this was that cuticle, and then I'm trying to remove it, I'm trying to cut it, and I'll show you close up in the close up that either it removes or not, and it was actually working. My cuticles, they got really soft, and you can easily cut them like I used to do with my cuticle softener. It was working in the same way. You can see in the tool there is so much dead skin or dead cuticle which is left. So according to me, this hack actually works. If you like these hacks, comment below and tell me if you want me to make other videos of different sort of hacks and try either they work or not. Till then, bye bye, love you all.